How to grow a beautiful mango plant at your home, a step-by-step guide. Let's begin. We have a mango seed. Take a bowl and put some water in it. It will make the seed to germinate faster. Now leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our seed is ready to germinate. Take a pot and put some cocoa peat in it. You can also use soil for this, but I would suggest you to use cocoa peat as it helps seed to grow faster. Now put the seed in the pot and cover it with the cocoa peat. I am using a shower to water the plant, but you can also water it directly, but keep it in mind that don't overwater it. After 5 days, let's see the result. Wow, our seed is germinated very well. Now you can see that our plant is broken from the bottom side, but don't worry, it is not going to affect the growth of the plant. Now put it in that pot and wait more days. After 2 weeks, our plant has grown very well and it became bigger than before. After 1 month, our plant has grown more bigger. Thank you for watching and subscribe us.